Now, the Minister of National Security says even though there is a general decline in the crime rate, more has to be done to sustain the reduction. He was speaking after a tour of the St. Andrew South constituency. We have more in this report.
There has been an overall 4% reduction in major crimes in the St. Andrew Southwest constituency since July 7. When compared to the same period last year, Minister of National Security Dr. Horace Chang attributes the reduction to the current state of emergency in effect in the St. Andrew South Police Division, which includes the constituency. But as he told us in an interview, more needs to be done to enforce change for longer periods.
Some of the individuals in there are so depressed, socioeconomical, that they are not aware of what's available. And many of the professionals are sometimes literally afraid to go into the community. What we are doing in Ministry of National Security, including our staff in preventive crime and the community security and safety branch of the police, is to open the door in a safe way. So everybody can come in, and we then ensure that the community get access to all the services that this country offers, because we do offer a fair number of services.
The latest agreement with the International Monetary Fund, IMF, placed a lower limit on how much the government can spend on social development. Mr. Chang says the country has to then take the necessary steps to combine education with the funding to achieve crime reduction goals.
Now, what we have to look at going forward is exploring and security services. You want to have safe communities in which we can provide the services and offer the people real opportunities. But that's the only way we're going to have long-term reduction in crime.
10 of the 18 checkpoints in the SOE are located in the constituency, and the security forces are equipped with a list of wanted men. These checkpoints, Mr. Chang says, have been useful in apprehending big criminals and breaking up gangs in other parishes.
SOE works to stop the bloodletting, which is what we want to do.
Listen, it's as those who I don't want in a state of emergency. I believe that the government has been tardy in just making sure it's not just hard-nosed policing that we were seeing, because that is all that was being implemented.
Although not in support of the current SOE, Member of Parliament for the constituency Angela Brown Burke shared with us her prospects for the social intervention projects.
You know, I've always said that what is needed is more boots on the ground along with social intervention. It's a small geographic area of the magnitude of the problem. And when you have that kind of problem, there's no doubt that you are going to require social intervention. And after you pass the pilot phase, you want to be able to affect positively the lives of hundreds of people, because if you do it in drips and drabs, you're not going to be able to see the difference.
Kirk Wright, TVJ News.